eating lunch at the Lunch Lady, infamous Lunch Lady.
From the very first minute that I came to this country, I knew my life had changed. This woman, Madame Tan, goes to market. She comes back here, to this corner. Then it begins. She's known as the Lunch Lady.
That's the Lunch Lady right there, you guys. So right now we are in the Bantan market after we have our breakfast. My dad has helped us bargaining. We're gonna go shopping for some souvenir and shirts. First order of the day is Taylor's getting the shirts at Vietnamese coffee with the Vietnamese lady. So originally it was $5.30 for one. My dad got that for $3.30. So make sure you bargain when you get here. Muốn cái nọ nào tùy. Which one you want again? This style.
Cheaper one.
Cái nào rẻ hơn, cái nào rẻ hơn?
$5.
Nó mua khoảng 5 cây. 5 cây đó thì nói thiệt nhiêu, có thì giá nhiêu tôi trả tiền chứ nó có tiền nó trả.
Thì bán mở hàng chú bán chú 50 đó.
Life update. We all got the sugarcane strawberry juice because we gotta have it. And then Taylor and Audrey's are buying some bracelet. We went to some store down there. They were saying $1.50 for one, and then we found a shop where they say 50 cents for one.
We'll give you a haul later.
Yep. Alright, Taylor is the bracelet dealer. He got 6 of those.
Oh, did you already buy it?
Yeah.
Oh.
So now we just got done at the market and now we're eating lunch at the Lunch Lady, infamous Lunch Lady. I guess part of the meal they bring you out some snacks at the beginning and you pay for what you eat. Spicy? He needs the non-spicy one. You need the non-spicy one? Oh, okay. So yeah, we got spring rolls, fried egg rolls.
That's egg roll, yeah.
Yeah, chaya. I don't know what that is.
Like
It's like fried shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp fritters. Alright, so for today we have this meal called Bún Thai, which is Vietnamese vermicelli soup with Thailand inspiration, so it's kind of tastes like a little sweet tom yum. So it has a big shrimp, squid, beef. Okay,
No, it's okay.
steak, shrimp, fish cake.
Don't worry about it, it's cool.
Oh, so we just got done eating. It was delicious. And also, the Lunch Lady sat next to me and we had like a full-on, well, we had a conversation with her. But I told her her food was delicious and she said thank you.
The aftermath, so good.
But yeah, that was
Time to go back.
That was a cool experience. So we also found out that she's sick of taking pictures with tourists, so if you come here, try to avoid that, okay?
Yeah, because so I sat down, she was sitting down next to Audrey, so I was like, hi auntie, like, you know your food, you see a lot of tourists every day? She's like, yeah, a lot. I was like, are you sick of taking pictures? Yeah. I was like, how many times do you take pictures a day? She said, I lost count. And I'm just really tired of taking
pictures. And then
pictures.
like right before, so there was this Australian guy sitting next to us and he's like, can I take a picture with you? Can I take a picture with you? And then she was like, no.
Yeah, she just walked away.
She just walked away. And he's like, okay, I guess not.
Yep. Alright, so earlier I was telling you guys that we're gonna show you our room tour. So let's do it right now. So I booked this place on Expedia thinking it's a hotel, but it turned out to be more like an apartment, similar to like an Airbnb style. So we're staying in this building, it has 27th floor, and we are on the 27th floor, like the top floor. So our apartment is right there. It's very secure. It has gated. It has the key card and has security, so very safe. Welcome to the room. So we go So this is the room. When you first come in, this is the living area. There's a fridge. There's a microwave. There's a sink. Has a bowl, plate, all the utensil. Over here has a TV. So this is the view. You get the whole view of the city. Now you go in. When you go in, you have the bathroom here. There's Taylor bedroom. This is our bedroom, and we have a separate bathroom in there. So yeah, that's it. That concludes our room tour. Alright, so now Audrey and Taylor is gonna stay back at the apartment to rest. I'm gonna go around and then go shop for some stuff with my dad. So I'm gonna start vlogging on my phone. So after I left the house, we've been going around, going shopping with my dad. Got stuff from Starbucks, a bunch of more stuff. Pretty much we bought snacks, some stuff for me and some stuff for my uncle, and then my dad took me to our condo that he just bought, about to move in, and then now we're just gonna go back because I have a dinner with my middle school friend. I think in the meantime, Audrey went to the gym and went to the swimming pool. But yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated. Whole time, I was sitting in the back of my dad's motorbike and I have to hold on to these things. Now we're gonna go buy some food for Audrey and Taylor.
Meanwhile.
Alright you guys, so I am gonna do a quick Bintan Market haul. What I got. I have like 3 little bags. So first off, I got these bracelets. They're like just little like friendship bracelets. Will it focus? Maybe not. But yeah, we didn't bargain low enough, but it's alright. It was still cheap. It was basically under $1 for 3. They're really cute, colorful. And then next I got some fans, which have like a really cute design on them. Like most of them have flowery designs. And this was like $1.50 each. I got 5. So yeah, they're just like that simple. Give to people, you know, they need a gift. And then I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get this shirt. Ta-da! And then on the bottom it says Cafe Suda, which I thought was really funny. And for those of you who don't know, I work at Starbucks, so I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get this. But yeah. And then the last purchase that I got was this cute little bag. I bought 2, one for myself and one as a gift, and this cost, I think it was $8 each. So that's pretty good. That's pretty cheap. Oh, and for the t-shirt, we got it for 80,000 dong, so that's about less than $5. So maybe like 450, something like that. But yeah, that's my quick haul from Bintan Market, and I am currently waiting for Hui to get back from running all the errands. He's buying a bunch of stuff that a lot of people asked us to buy for them. But yeah, so we'll see you guys later.
Alright, so we are at the store. They sell bắp xào to get the corn for Audrey. It's like one of my favorite snacks. Hopefully she'll like it. Alright, so next step, Audrey's want to try this out. It's called the alley. Reindeer, the signature boba tea. I think we are done. Now time to go meet her up. Alright. I'm in the elevator now. Look at how much stuff I got. Skills, y'all, all in one hand. It's so hot.
Alright, you guys, I'm just gonna end today's vlog because I'm pretty much just editing pictures. He's out with his middle school friends, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was like a lot of random bits, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.